What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I hope everybody's good. Today we will be taking a look at the Realtek Morphus 2 VGA cooler, compatible with most AMD and NVIDIA older GPUs. This thing brand new costs $80. Don't ask me why. But luckily I was able to find one at an okay price of 50 bucks. I will be putting this cooler on my GTX 970. I recently retired from my main rig. I just lost the stock cooler. I wouldn't recommend this cooler only for maybe the 10 series because they still a little up there in price, and maybe for the AMD latest R9 cards at best, because of here's an example. NVIDIA 9 series goes around for about $100, and buying an $80 cooler really doesn't make much sense. You might as well just buy a used 9 series card. But let me stop running my mouth and let's check out what's in the box. Also, I almost forgot, they do make a another version of this card that's compatible with the 20 and 30 series. So I might have to pick one of those up if I decide to upgrade my current card, because I bought it on offer up for a good price, a 2080 Ti for 200 bucks, just because it had a water block on it. But let's take a look at what's in the box. The box is a little rugged, I noticed that. But what we get in there, a bag of assorted heat sinks, manual, band clips, a larger heat sink, and a back plate. This is what I didn't expect to get, but I did. Adhesive tape, and I guess this is some thermal paste where I will be using my own. Yeah. And here we go. Usually these are not installed, or what I've seen from other videos, but on mine these came installed with the stands off for NVIDIA GPUs. Lucky me. But closer inspection, oh, let me say this, it's never been used. See how shiny that is? Never been used, so that's great. And closer inspection, there is some minor damage, like right here. I don't know if you picked it up on camera, but it's very minor, like scrape a little paint off of it. But I don't care. But I will be installing this in just a few minutes. So okay, I already removed the water block and cleaned up the card and identified where I need to put the heat sinks. On the memory chips, obviously. On these chips here, I believe it's power delivery. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I know it was cooled by the heatsink. Also this area here, and whatever this chip is right here. Also, this here is the fan header. You see how small it is, so you will need an adapter. I've ordered one, but I didn't expect this cooler to come this soon, because this cooler should have been delivered this weekend on Saturday, but it came Thursday. UPS, the mail service has gotten better, because usually it takes a long time and you'd be lucky to get your packages for the area that I live in. So it really doesn't bother me that I don't have it now. I want to try cooling it passively, because it is going into my server, and it has a steady airflow, should be blowing across it. Also, you would need, if you wasn't doing that, you would need 2 fans. There were these clips are for. But like I said, I don't try passively. If it doesn't work, I just go ahead and install some fans to it. No big deal. Let's get installing some heat sinks, I guess.
One eternity later.
Okay, I finally found a arrangement that works with what I'm given. Everything that needs to be cooled is covered with a heatsink. Now, let's move on to installing the main heatsink. Let me remove this tab so I won't forget to do so when I install it. Let's see, I need some thermal paste. That should be more than enough. Let me grab the back plate and screws. And I think the best way to install this is to set the card down onto it. Okay, it seems that there was some thermal paste in the screw holes, so I guess this really was installed for a short time. Now, now let's put on the back plate, line that up. And now I got this. Yes, so I guess it fits better this way. Now let's install the screws. Now for the last screw. I'll go ahead and tighten them all down. That's what it is. The heat sinks seem to be staying in place. Plenty of clearance between the memory heat sinks and the GPU heat sink. This goes the full length of the card. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.